Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Safelists and email marketing to generate leads and commissions online. And today I'm going to email out to 470,000 prospects. And what I'll do is I'll just talk you through the different platforms and strategies that I use as I'm filming the video, and all the links will be in the description if you want to join any of these platforms. At the end, I'm going to give you 2 free ebooks that will really help you understand and help you become successful with Safelists and email marketing. So the first one I'm in is Herculist, and Herculist, you'll see here, has 272,000 members I'm going to email out to today. I've preloaded all of these just for the purpose of this video, and Hercules is free to join. I'm going to click submit ad, and Hercules is free to join. There'll be a link in the description, and I started out for free with Hercules. I do recommend you promote these traffic platforms as well, because as a free member you can earn affiliate commissions, and you can upgrade and earn more commissions and start to reach a larger audience. That's one of the strategies that I use. And on my lead gen secret now, I'm going to go on to members login. My lead gen secret is 100% tier 1 leads, and I'm going to go into mailing system and select all. So you get 100 to 200 leads every single day with my lead gen secret. And I've done playlists and I've done reviews on all of these traffic sources that I'm showing you today. And if you refer one paying member with my lead gen secret, you get 200 leads per day. So I'm going to preload a previous email there, and I'm going to go on to perfect timing, and you can email these leads once every day. You can even download them. They are your leads, and you can download them and email them more than once a day if you wish to do so. But these are 100% tier 1 leads, and tier 1 leads are the best leads you can get online. They do include buyers. It comes with a Facebook group. I have done a playlist on my lead gen secret. You'll see that on my channel. I'm going to go send email, and that's going to go out to over 117,000 prospects. And I get 6,000 leads now every single month with my lead gen secret. I can also show you how to get your traffic for free with the majority of these, and by using the affiliate programs and promoting these as traffic sources. So the next one's European Safelists, and European Safelists has been online for about 10 years. I can actually email here, it says here 17,612 members, so we'll do that today. That goes out to 17,000. That's gone out, mailing in progress. The next one is Global Safelists, and with this one I can email, I think it's 10,000. So the strategy that I recommend that you do is promote the traffic sites. Even as a free member, you can earn affiliate commissions, and I recommend that you upgrade or reinvest some of your profits and upgrade, and that way you can email more often and you can email to a larger audience. This is Proactive Mailer, and Proactive Mailer is great because he cleans his list every 30 days, and you're only promoting to active members within this Safelist mailer. You can also send a downline referral, which I'll do today. And what you'll see here when I click send, I'm using a lead capture page within these Safelists. So I'm using a Safelist. I'm using these Safelists to build my own list. And it's a great way, if you're absolutely brand new online and you haven't got an audience yet, then you can start to use these Safelists mailers. You can start to use traffic exchanges. because you've got a pre-built audience already done for you. And I started out for free, just surfing, watching television, getting credits. This one here is Mr. Safelists. We're going to send out to nearly 2,000 here. This owner here, Jerry Ianucci, he's the owner. I'm going to give you his free ebook at the end on how to be successful with Safelists. He's been a Safelist marketer, professional Safelist marketer, for over 10 years. And he's the owner of this site. So that's that one there. This one, Pangea, is they regrouped all these sites and merged them into one site. Let's go into Marion Myers. She's been marketing online for over 10 years. You'll see here, I'm going to email out to 23,000 members. They've got different groups here that you go into, and I'm just going to choose one that I've already preloaded before. Let's go into that one there, group 1, and send email out. 23,000 members there. The next one we're going to go into is State of the Art Mailer, another one that's been online for 10 years. All of these Safelist mailers include a percentage of tier 1 traffic, and they all include buyers, and that's why you can take the members from here onto your own email list, because they include buyers and tier 1 traffic. So we're going to go on to send email now with this one. And the next one we're going to use, the next few sites are by Darren Olander. And Darren Olander, this one is List Jumper. Darren Olander's been marketing online for over 15 years. He's a traffic expert. And I'm going to give you I'm going to give you a free ebook at the end. That's going to be, it's written by Darren Olander. Let's just press send here and send this one out. And Darren Olander, that's got a free frame breaker test there. So Darren Olander has written a free ebook, which I'm going to give you at the end. Another one here of Darren Olander's sites. He's a traffic expert. And let's send email there. And that one's gone into a frame breaker test, so we can go off that. And the next one is one of Darren Olander's. This is called Adcheaver. Just did a review yesterday on my channel about this. If you want to watch that review video, all of these include tier 1 traffic and buyers. Let's go on to send email down here. That's going to go out to that one there, and that's gone into the frame breaker test. And the last one here is the lead magnet, which is again includes tier 1 buyers. I'm going to go out here and just post my ad here. That's going out to a lead capture page. I think that one goes out to 1,250. So this just takes sort of between 5 to 10 minutes every single day to send out and do your email marketing, your Safelist marketing. And the best thing to do is try and promote some traffic sites. I do a cross promotion strategy. I've done other videos on that, and reinvest some of your profits so you can upgrade and reach a larger audience. And you'll also, when you promote those sites, you'll also earn more referral commissions. So you can start by earning monthly recurring commissions even as a free member. So let's just show you these ebooks here. The first one is by Jerry Ianucci, and it's a Safelist, says here, the ultimate guide to Safelist marketing. So I'll give you a link in the description to that, totally free. And Darren Olander, who I mentioned before, another traffic expert, another 7-figure earner, has written this ebook. Again, there'll be a link in the description. and you can just download that for free, and then you can look at all his words of wisdom and systems, step-by-step guide, it says here, to generating massive traffic. So if you're promoting, if you've got any offers that are already converting into sales, then all you need to do is just get more traffic to those offers. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like, a big blue thumbs up like. So I'd really appreciate that. That'll help support me on my YouTube journey. And please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. I've currently got over 700 videos now on the channel, and I do several new videos every week. If you've got any questions at all on any of these Safelists or email marketing platforms, I do use them. Some of them I use daily, some I use every 3 days, but on a consistent basis. So I'm fully aware of how the platforms work. Then just leave those questions in the comments below, and I'll answer all your questions for you. And I'll also put my email address within the description if you want to contact me direct through email. So all the links will be in the description to each and every one of these traffic sources, and also the links will be in the description to those 2 free ebooks. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.